What up, guys? I'm back.
And
again, I'm Tom. This is
Ashley.
Today we're doing something extra special. We're going to kick it old school and review some Lunchables. So let's tear it open. Alright, so these ones have little comics on them.
Yeah.
Nothing special. But we both have turkey and cheddar. So we'll just open them up real quick. Is it alright?
Yeah.
Need help?
Yeah.
Alright. So, here's what we got in here. Some crackers. Looks like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crackers. Some turkey. Got that weird looking turkey. And the cheese.
And the candy.
Oh, and the candy, that's right.
And always eat the healthy stuff first, and then after your healthy stuff first, you eat the candy.
Yeah, that's the dessert, huh? And then also we have, remember these things? You guys remember these? Delicious little juice packs. You want to open it right now? Alright.
And do not freeze these. We will put juice on you, and I would not like that.
Did you say don't freeze them?
I said don't squeeze them.
Oh, don't squeeze them. Yeah, that's good advice. You don't want to squeeze them. You get it alright?
Yeah.
Don't squeeze it. Oh, good job. Alright, you ready to make a sandwich?
Mm-hmm.
How do you make them?
So,
Crackers, show me how.
cracker,
Cracker.
cheese,
Oh, cheese first?
cracker, cheese,
My cheese just broke.
cracker, cheese,
Okay.
meat,
Oh, and the meat?
cracker.
Oh, another cracker? Cheers. Is it good? Does it remind you of your childhood? Yeah, I hope so, because it's happening now. Mmm. This is a good one. How good is it?
Good.
Oh, nice.
121.
Oh.
You can count to that number.
Awesome. Should we take a drink? You're struggling there, huh? The juice is good. Pacific Cooler. Alright. Should we get into the candy? Alright, let's eat the candy. That's good. I think these ones are, how much are they? Like $2.50 or something? Nice little snack. Kids love them.
I do.
Yeah.
Well, you're here, aren't you? Yeah.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
What is this? Peanut butter cup?
Mm-hmm.
Is that your favorite? Oh, we cheers them? Alright. Oh, mine broke.
I'm doing it.
Mmm. Is that good? Alright guys, that's it for the Lunchable. Pretty basic, crackers, meat, and cheese. It's all decent. If you like the processed stuff, I don't mind it. She loves it. Alright. Until next time. Bye.